just gonna cross the frickin' road. Hey everybody, welcome to Off-Road 801. We're in Grand Teton National Park today. We'll probably find a bunch of scenery and some wildlife. Give this video a thumbs up. But we're gonna explore around the valley first. Do you like exploring cool places? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's July 19th. We woke up this morning and the valley was really smoky, and we learned there was a fire in eastern Oregon right now. So visibility is a little low. Still beautiful. I'm glad we're here. Let's go look around. We're on the Jenny Lake Scenic Byway, Scenic Loop or whatever. It's pretty sweet. Mr. Lope. Teton traffic jam. Some side traffic. Side traffic does not stop. That was some cool buffalo action. She's got a radio collar. Her baby's right behind her. Oh, she's got two babies. There's two babies, honey. She's gonna cross the frickin' She's waiting for her other baby. Just taking his time. He knows the road's slippery. I'm at Jenny Lake. I'm gonna go hike around a little bit, see if I can see anything cool. Jenny Lake is just beautiful. The trail around the lake is pretty nice too. That was Jenny Lake. I'm gonna take off, go see what else I can find. Let's go do some more exploring. This is the view from Signal Mountain. Okay, well, I found a little tiny bit of free camping on the Pacific Creek Road. Just as you get out of the park boundary, there's a campground. Well, actually, it's not a campground. It's a dispersed camping area. There's 8 spots. They're free. You can stay there for 5 days. Get here in the middle of the week would probably be the best time to try to get these. But there's 8 and they're free. Pacific Creek Road. And it's in the Grand Teton National Forest. And then past that is a paid campground. So, and I think it was $10 to stay there. Well, that was Pacific Creek. Very clear water. Looks amazing. The herd of buffalo we've seen in the morning is still here. Okay, this is the south entrance into the park. You come up in here, and here's Antelope Flats Road. That's where the barn is. And this is Moose Junction. That's what takes you over to Jenny Lake. If you're looking for animals, right here on the Moose Wilson Road, the road that goes to the Teton Village, there's usually moose along this road. And there's a hiking trail. I'm sure you could probably see wildlife right through here too if you wanted to go on a hike. Or you can come around the other way through Moose Junction and go the opposite direction. And the buffalo like to hang out basically along this whole eastern side. And this is where Pacific Creek is. And then it goes up here, and here's where that campground is. So that dispersed camping is right there. And off the Moose Junction Road goes by Jenny Lake right here. And then you go around Jackson Lake. There's multiple viewpoints of the lake all the way up through here until you get to Yellowstone. The Tetons are awesome. Definitely my favorite rocks in the West, and the most recognizable, in my opinion. I would recommend going to the Tetons for 2 days. Spend both of your mornings looking for animals, because they don't sleep in. They go to bed by noon, their bellies are full, and they're ready to take a nap. So get up early to see the animals. Then you can spend the rest of your day at a lake or a river, playing in the water, go on a boat tour, go hiking. The animals are in the morning and in the evening. Yeah, the Tetons are awesome to visit. Your eyeballs won't be disappointed. The scenery is intense. The Tetons are magnificent. Bottom line, they're just cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little tour of the Tetons and found some of this information useful. But we're going to get out of here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.